Hello, welcome back. This is video number 6 in the N8N series. If you have not watched my previous videos on this topic, I suggest you do, as this is in continuation of the previous discussions. In the previous video, in my N8N playlist, we configured locally hosted LLMs using Ollama. Ollama is free and can be hosted locally, but it requires powerful hardware to run efficiently. In contrast, a paid OpenAI subscription offers cloud-based performance without local resource demands and costs very little, providing a balanced mix of convenience and affordability. Let's dive in now. Go to OpenAI website and click on Create Account. Sign up using your email address. Once your account is created, it will ask you to create an organization and an API key that we will be using for our integration. Copy this API key and keep it safe for later. In the next screen, you'll be asked to add credits. Earlier, OpenAI used to give free trials, but not anymore. Now you have to buy credits. I'm not doing it here as I already have another account. I'll show you how you can do it later, as you may want to first explore what is available inside. Okay, if you go to their pricing section, it shows a number of models that you can use. It also shows how much you will spend for each model, and this amount is mostly per million tokens. Tokens are like Lego bricks for words. Each word or small piece of text is a token, helping computers understand and build sentences. Now for adding credits, go to your profile, select billing from the left nav, and add your payment details. Based on the available credits, you should be able to do the next steps. At this point, if you want to create another API key, you should be able to go to the dashboard and click on the API keys link in the left nav. In this section, you'll see a list of API keys that you have created earlier. Click on the Create New Secret Key button on the top, and rest of the process is same as what we did earlier. Now, if you have not saved your generated API key, you cannot retrieve it later. Keep in mind that you have to save your API keys somewhere before you close your dashboard. Copy the generated key, open N8N, click on the plus sign located in the left nav of the screen. Select Credential. This will bring up the credential page where all your credentials are available. Type in the service name. In this case, it is OpenAI. Select it and click Continue. Paste the copied API key from OpenAI website and finally click Save. Here it is, the OpenAI account credential. We will use this in our projects now. Create a new workflow, add an AI agent node, configure chat model by selecting OpenAI chat model from the list. The credential we just created should automatically be selected. Now select a model from the list of all the available models from OpenAI. I'm going to use ChatGPT 4.0 latest. Go back to the canvas, and if you want, you can actually configure chat memory. I am going to select Postgres chat memory. To test, simply type in your message in the input chat and done. Everything is working fine. This concludes the video number 6. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to follow and subscribe. Also bookmark the N8N playlist. I am not just about teaching AI. I dive into DIY projects, strengths training, product reviews, and so much more. Stick around. There's a lot to explore. Bye for now.